Something has landed from outer space and it's right here. This is the Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 Pro Special Edition. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy, BMAC. And if this is your first time here to this channel, welcome. Thanks for stopping by. Make sure you smash that subscribe button with all notifications turned on so that you never miss another video on this channel. And if you've been here before, if you're already subscribed, welcome back. And yes, we do have in front of me the special edition of the Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 Pro. What makes this so special edition, you may ask? Well, audience, that's a great question. Allow me to explain. In case you couldn't tell from the front of the box here, we do have a cosmic-inspired theme with the special edition Note 10 Pro, this Redmi Note 10 Pro, which does mean we have a special edition cosmic color on this device that we're about to see in just a minute and that I'm about to hold with my own hands. So that's what we're gonna do. We're going to unbox the Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 Pro special edition in this video. So buckle up, get ready for takeoff. Get it? Because cosmic, astronaut, space. I gotta get better with my jokes. But without further ado, let's just get right into it. The unboxing. Quick look at the box, you can see the front of the Redmi Note 10 Pro like you see right there. Cosmic inspired, Redmi Note 10 Pro with easy access to Google Apps you use most on the left side. Same exact thing on the right side. Nothing on top, but some more information on the bottom that you don't really care about, and a blank back. Let's just unbox it. Where is my unboxing knife? I know it's around here somewhere. Found it! Be very careful with knives, boys and girls. We will carefully take the knife and cut this cellophane. Right there. Ooh, that's a satisfying feeling, I tell ya. We'll cut it also right here. Cut number 2, and then I think from this point we could safely put the knife away. Take the cellophane and make it sexy, BMAC, make it sexy. Take the cellophane and rip it off. I was supposed to make it sexy. That was exciting, not exactly sexy. We have uncellophaned the cellophane, and now it's time for the unboxing of the box. So let's do it. We will take a quick peek under the tab, because I cannot wait. There it is. Okay, that was the quick peek, that's it. First things first, let's remove this little piece of paper right here. There's the astronaut, we flip it over. There you go. Special edition Xiaomi Mi Fan Festival 2021 stickers. Pretty cool colors we got on those stickers right there. We will put this off to the side. And now for the reveal. There it is! The Redmi Note 10 Pro. But before we get to that, gotta do our homework. Well, it's not really homework, but we gotta do our professionalism. We have to take a look at what comes in this little packet of goodies right here. So you undo this, first thing you're gonna notice, SIM card ejection tool right there, in case you need that. You open this up further, you're going to see a couple things. Your first thing is your user guide for your Redmi Note 10 Pro. You can read through that if you so choose to do so. You also have your warranty card information, so just like the user guide. You could read through that if you want as well. I know I threw those, but I'll probably read through those later. And then last but not least, you will see, just like is pretty typical of the last few unboxings I've done of Xiaomi smartphones, we do indeed get your Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 Pro included case. So Note 10 Pro case, we'll put that off to the side. Oh, also this. To the side. We will take the Redmi Note 10 Pro out of the box. I'm not gonna show the back yet. We have to do this very carefully because the back is what makes this a special edition. That's what makes this special. So we're just gonna remove it right here. We're gonna place it right down for a second. See what else comes in this box. You remove this little divider right there. You're gonna see your USB cord. Awesome, gotta have that, of course. This is about a 3-foot USB-C to USB-A cord. So in case you're wondering, you got that covered. And then of course you also do have your power adapter. So if you need that, this obviously is not gonna work here in the United States, but it's USB-A, so I'll use another power adapter that I have. And then, yeah, that's it. So we'll take all the, I'm gonna be careful with this box. Usually I'm kind of rough with my unboxings, but this is special edition. Gotta treat it with special care. So I'm gonna carefully remove these items. It's like it's a baby, which it is. It's kind of like a baby. Put that to the side. All right. Brace yourselves, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, for the reveal of the back of the Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 Pro Special Edition. This is literally the moment you've been waiting for. This special edition, this phone, what we're about to see, it all boils down to this. I'm gonna flip it over. We're gonna enjoy it together. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, wow. Oh, that is so cool. Look at that gradient, man. Oh my goodness. It's gonna look even better with the cellophane off of it, but just at first glance, so pretty. It's, one would say, out of this world pretty. But I wanna see it without cellophane covering it, so let's get to the rest of the unboxing here. Per usual, you have a quick little rundown of the different features on the front of the cellophane covering the Redmi Note 10 Pro. 108 megapixel quad camera, 120 Hz AMOLED 6.67-inch dot display, a Qualcomm Snapdragon 732G, and 33-watt fast charging, as well as a, what does that say? 5,020 milliamp hour battery capacity. But let's remove the cellophane, shall we? Oh my goodness, look at her glisten. We will take this off as well so you get the full effect. Oh my gosh. That is how you do a gradient right there. That is a pretty gradient. Oh my gosh. It's so pretty, I literally just wanna stare at it. Never before have I wanted to stare at that back of the phone as much as I do right now. That is your gradient bronze back right there, your special edition of the Redmi Note 10 Pro. Feels good in the hand, it's got that rounded back, this nice sleek finish that complements the gradient. Here is your camera bump. It's kind of like a dual level camera bump. You have your first level and then your second level right there in the corner, as you would expect. On the right side of the device, you will see your power button. Oh my gosh, and look how this is complementing too. The bezels of the phone are perfectly complementing the gradient back. So it's not just like the back itself, also the sides, the bottom, and the top all is making this a really cool color scheme here. A cosmic inspired color scheme. Ooh, baby. And I'm liking it. I'm liking it. And then on the left side, you actually don't have anything except for your SIM card at the top there. On the bottom, your USB-C port along with some speakers and a microphone. On the top, more of the same. And check this out. That's a rarity to see these days. That is a headphone jack, in case you forgot what that little hole in your phone actually is. Headphone jack. I know we don't see those all the time, but if we take an aux cord, which I just happen to have at the ready here, we plug it in, you got yourself a headphone jack. It's been so long, I feel like, since I've actually seen this in person. So here's what's gonna happen. I don't wanna bore you with the whole setup process of this phone. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna snap my fingers and this whole process is gonna be done. Well, I actually already did it, so whole process is done. And we are in the special edition Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 Pro setup for the first time. That display's looking pretty crispy. And the Redmi Note 10 Pro's got a lot going for it. A lot of features you're getting for the selling price that this phone usually goes for. But this one's special edition, so technically it's priceless. Not really, but in my eyes, special edition, priceless. But I know, it's kind of like one of those things where you just gotta see this in person. You gotta hold it in your own hands as if this was your own phone to really see what this special edition Redmi Note 10 Pro is all about. Well, actually, you can. This special edition Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 Pro actually can be yours. In celebration of the Xiaomi Mi Fan Festival 2021, I've actually partnered with Xiaomi to do a giveaway of this puppy right here. You could enter to win this exact special edition Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 Pro, and all you gotta do to do so is head to redmi.bmacgiveaway.com. That's redmi.bmacgiveaway.com. That's a little website I set up. You go there, you just do 3 simple tasks, 3 little tiny things for your chance at winning this thing. And after doing so, you're entered. You can sit back, relax, and wait until the deadline. And once the deadline has passed, I'm gonna go in, randomly select someone who's entered the giveaway to give this to. This is gonna be yours. I'm gonna ship it to you. It's gonna be all yours. Special edition, glossy finish, all of it. And if you are the winner, I'm gonna be posting the winner as a pinned comment on this video, as well as announcing it on my Twitter. So make sure you're subscribed to this channel and follow me over there on Twitter so that you're in the know. I'll also be DMing and emailing the person who won. But a huge thank you and shout out to Xiaomi for making this happen. Pretty exciting, right? Special day, special phone, special giveaway. it's a special video. And as always, if you guys are interested in finding out more about this Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 Pro smartphone, or just to cop one for yourself, you guys could always head to my affiliate link, bmac.link/Redmi Note 10 Pro, bmac.link/Redmi Note 10 Pro, or as always, there's gonna be a clickable link in the video description box below for that link as well, so check it out if you wish to do so. And with that having been said, seriously, man, this is one of the coolest gradients I have personally ever seen on a smartphone. I've never before wanted to stare at the back of a phone more than I've wanted to the front, the actual display of the phone, until now. That back is just, no words. I will see you guys in my next video. Seriously though, man, oh, baby. I wish my entire home, my entire gadget setup, my entire life was in this color. Although that'd make it a little less special because everything would be the same, but you get the point. She's pretty.